Two women are talking when they notice a handsome bald guy. And one of them says to the other, "Look at that handsome bald guy. What is he doing with his arms stretched out to the sky?" And the other one says, "I don't know, but look at all those birds just gathering all around him. That's something, look at that." The handsome bald guy, Melton, son of a carpenter, me, doesn't notice the two ladies there. He's too busy taking photos to design into imagery later on, and thinking back to a day by the bayou where he's from, Louisiana. Years back, he was approached by two attractive girls, Andrea and Molly. One wearing a t-shirt and the other wearing, a bikini. And Melton, a gator back then, said, "Is this yours?" And he holds up a bikini top, and Molly, the girl in the t-shirt, says, "Oh, thank you. That was something. That bird just came out of nowhere, and I wanted to get get a little tan there, and no lines. It grabbed my bikini top and took off. Yeah, I didn't get far. It dropped it right over there where I was walking across that pier." And Andrea says, "What pier?" And Melton tells her, "Oh, the water level's a little high right now. It's covering it up. But that bird dropped it right in my hand, so here you go. You're new around here, huh? College students?" And Molly says, "Yes." "Why don't I show you around?" And yes, Melton finishes taking those photos. Girls, if you got any photos, especially attractive college students, blonde and near blonde, got any nice photos of your car, or some birds, some clouds, a sunset, each other? Come see me. You tried to call me 424-229-4140. See art stolen with your call. Opportunity stolen as well. Then come see the handsome bald guy, the son of a carpenter and Mary. A dad a carpenter, worked on skyscrapers. Mom, Mary Ann. I am the son of a carpenter and Mary. I get to make parables and design beautiful parable imagery. And I can summon birds and get them to do my bidding. Comes in handy every once in a while.